Everybody, thought I would do a quick video and show you some of my craft room. A lot of people have asked me about the racks that I use for storage for my ribbon and that, so I thought while my room was all cleaned up because my kids and grandkids were just here visiting, I would give you a quick tour. So these are the racks that I use for my ribbons. These are metal racks. They're shoe racks. They are 12 tier, but they come in two sections. So the first one here is the 12 tier that I put together. The other two, because we have slanted ceilings, I just left them apart and put them on either side. So you can see it holds a lot of ribbon. I had the other plastic shoe racks before and they were starting to fall apart, so we had to switch them out. So I'm trying to show you, you can get 3 rows of ribbon on each tier. So that holds a lot of ribbon. So there's the ribbon racks. So while I'm at it, I thought I'd give you a little quick tour of my work area. So there's my 2 little rolling carts that I use for my heat press and my paint stuff is my work area. So on that side is my printers. I keep them covered so that mesh fibers and that don't get in them. So this is my little computer area. My husband built this desk for me. And this is my live area. Sorry, I have a box that's getting ready to go out, and then my project from Friday is still sitting on it. But this is my live area here. So you can see I have a tripod. This is just a regular tripod right here. And where you would normally mount your camera, he put a piece of wood on there and clamped this extending arm that has a phone holder on the end of it. So that is what I use to do my lives with. That's extends over my work area right there. And then over here is my lights. I'm not using them right now, so they're tucked away. I have my mesh, open meshes over here, and my signs are on top of that. I have a little sorting thing for the signs. Then I have a sorter over here for little odds and ends, little picks, things like that, attachments. And then I store some of my wreaths over here. If you have an open area above a door or a window, what I did was string some jute rope, and then I attached or put the wire from the bows, extra bows, up on that, so that stores them up and out of the way and they don't keep getting crushed. These are just practice bows, so they don't look all that great right now. And then over here is my flower stand for everyday flowers, all year flowers. And we had to make ours shorter because the ceilings are slanted. My husband built that for me. And then back over here in front of my live area are my fall florals. I keep them in a tub, all standing up. So this is the room. So you can see why I'm limited on space. I have a queen-size bed in the middle of the room. It's on a platform frame, and I store plastic containers under there with all of my seasonal stuff in them. So this is a view from the door. This is the view that you guys typically see on my lives. Well, up to here, you see that. And then out here in the hall area, because nobody uses our upstairs except me, and when the kids are here, grandkids. So the staircase is where I store all my wreaths on the walls, coming up the stairs. Although I do have some in the dining room on a wall that is vacant. As you come up the stairs, we have this little open area here, and this is where my shipping stuff is, all my boxes, containers, and grapevines. So all this is right here. Sorry, the boxes just came, so I haven't put any of those away yet. Like I said, the kids were here this weekend, so there's that closet there. So in here, which is our bonus room, this is the room over the garage. This is where the kids' room is when they're here. So there's 2 queen beds in here for them. And then over there are the plastic shoe racks I was using. for my ribbon, but they were falling apart, so I had to get new ones. So I kept the best ones to use for seasonal. So all my Christmas ribbon is tucked away over there. And I used this portable closet that wasn't being used for anything else, and I store some wreaths in there and things. Those boxes are ribbons and signs that I'm selling on my Etsy store, so those are there in case I need to send them out. But again, under these beds, they're all plastic bins. I can get 8 bins under each bed. So fall, Christmas, Easter, all the holidays are stored in there. So this is the view going the other direction back towards my room. I try not to put too many wreaths in here. I think there's only 3 hanging up in here for the kids' room because, you know, this is their space when they're here. And then when the other kids that live close by come over to visit, you know, they have a room to play in too. So try to keep it separate as much as I can anyway. And then this is just our linen closet. There is some florals in there, but nothing big. Going back into my room here. And I will show you, my closet is probably a mess, but I will show it to you anyway. Don't judge. I have frames on the doors, and this is all my new mesh. The 2 top rows are 10-inch mesh. This is all my 21-inch mesh. That is all my tubing. I told you guys I was addicted to tubing, and it's all proof right there. And then up top is just all the odds and ends. So I have some 6-inch mesh. I have some different things up there. Attachments. Stuff like that. So put some command hooks on the inside of your closet doors. You can store wreaths and stuff in there. Frames. Sorry, let me get over here. This side. Got some witch hats. I do have a case of frames down there that are, I think those are the breast cancer frames. Noise. And there's my little weight station. So I just have a little scale here, and all my shipping supplies are underneath. This is one of those kitchen rolling carts that I had that I wasn't using. There's the pipe cleaner holder stand, whatever you want to call it, that my husband built for me. Just used some dollar store cups and some scrap wood that we had laying around. And then this desk he made for me as well. And it's just made with some of those cube storage bookshelves. Got a couple of those holding it up. And that is my work area there. So this is my little crafting area. I guess I can always save this video and say this is where Wreath Decor by Dawn got started. So thanks for joining me, guys. That's it. Bye.